Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. In this quick video I want to show you how quick and easy it is to start a campaign using the Twitter Moments software. So first things first, double check that you've got accounts in the database. If you don't, simply import accounts watching the video above this. If you're watching in the members area or if you're watching via YouTube, simply search for Twitter Moments software account management, and that will show you how to import and add accounts. So once you've got your accounts set up in your database, all you need to do is click on load images. Now the software will select a random image from the image folder that you select. So the way I have it set up is I have a clients folder and then whatever client I'm working with. Select the moment images and then click OK, and that's it. The minimum wait time and the maximum wait time is in seconds. So as it says there, randomized between minimum and maximum in seconds for posting to social networks. Basically, it'll wait between 2 and 4 seconds in between posting to Twitter accounts. The project name, all output CSV files will be saved in whatever project name you create here. So if I call it video test, all my output files, CSV files, will be saved in the projects folder called video test. Deep linking is off by default, so all you really need to do is click on the little orange button and then deep linking is enabled. This deep linking will link all previous moment URLs to the existing moment that's being created. The Spintax titles, this is the title of each moment that's created. So what I have done is I've created spin text of top 100 SEMrush keywords for my main search phrase, and then what I've done is I've basically copied them and then created a link to a GMB, and I've included the GMB name, address and phone number, which is basically the NAP, and then click start. When we click start, the software will say please select the keywords file to attach to the links. If you do not want them attached, choose cancel in the next screen. So basically what this is we can now go and create an unlimited amount of unique URLs using a keyword list. So let me show you how that ends up looking. So as you can see guys, each tweet that we create and each moment that we create, we are given a unique URL that we can then engage with. But what we have done is we've taken the keyword list and we've added the hashtag, and if we have a space within the keyword, we're adding the underscore. So what it does is it creates a unique URL for each tweet URL. So if you have 100 keywords in your keyword list and you have 10 accounts, you will end up with 1000 unique URLs. So what we want to do is we want to go and pick up on a keyword list, the keywords only, and then click open, and then the software will start. Thanks guys.